What about the supply side? Well, there's lots of models we could use on the supply side, but for now, I'm going to adopt the simplest model. I'm just going to assume here's investment, here's the price. I'm just going to assume there's just some I of P function. That it's just like the supply of any other commodity. The suppliers, well, what price do they care about? Well, they care about P. When I produce a new product, what am I going to be able to sell it for in the market? It's not R, it's P, right? Because that new product is not just going to be around today. It's going to be around as long as it lasts. So the relevant price from the point of view of investment is P. That's what they're going to be looking at. They're going to be looking at how much can I sell a new house for if I'm a home builder, how much can I sell a new car for if I'm a car maker, how much I can sell a new asset for no matter who I am, right? That's what the producers are going to look at. And I got this very static supply function. That is, it's a supply function that has no dynamics to it. I can build dynamics into the supply function, and I'll come back later and talk about what happens if we do. But let's just think about this real simple case where there's this static supply function. Just like, this is like the supply of strawberries. The higher the price, the more strawberries will grow. In this case, the higher the price, the more of these assets will produce. Just the usual upward sloping supply. All right? Any questions that people have? Okay. Now this, again, is where this assumption comes in, because if I wanted to say the things we produce today don't come in till tomorrow, I'd have to make this PT plus 1. That's where I'd have to stay consistent with my specification. That's really the difference. Then I would have to rewrite my I equation to make that IT minus 1. So I want to make that IT minus 1, I got to make this PT plus 1. So I got to keep those two things in line. All right, so that's why I think it's nice this way, because everything's now dated T. Every variable that's happening today is got a T subscript. I don't have to worry about which ones are forward, which ones are back. It's all today. That's why I like this notation. But it is nothing but a choice of notation. All right.